will be our general ledger. So let's go. So let's start here in the cash. We have two parts of it. So we have here the one part will be for the debit. This left side is only for the debit, and then the right side is for the credit. So remember of it that the debit is always on the left side and then the credit is always on the right side. So let's come first to the cash of the debit. Here, date 2010 February 15. The account title is the initial investment. The debit is the 50,000 pesos. And then here in credit, we don't need to write anything on it because it is placed in the debit. So in the Kyle Barros Capital, we put the account explanation here in credit for the initial investment. So again, 2010 February 14, the initial investment is 50,000. Why? It is still the same because it is balanced. So next will be the tables and shares. So we will put this in the debit. The date is 2010 February 15, both furniture and fixture. So it is a debit, 20,000 pesos.